In this video, we're going to show you how to remove the timer from your dryer. So the first thing we want to do is remove the back from the console. I'm just going to turn the dryer around so you can see that. And in this machine, it's just 1/4-inch screws that hold it on. On yours, it may be a different type of screw head. But whichever type it is, you just need to remove those screws and slip the back out of the way. And now we can see our components and the wires that go to them. So just to make it easier for us to be able to see the components as we service them, I'm just going to free the console with a putty knife that allows me to tip it forward so we can get a better view. So to remove the timer from your dryer, we have some wires, of course, that we need to remove. And just to remove those individually, one at a time. You may want to take a picture of that with your smartphone so you can easily check to see which wires go where, or else you can take a piece of paper and a pen and just jot down where the different colored wires go. But to remove them, it's just a matter of pulling them straight off their terminal. You may need a little screwdriver just to assist in that, just to pry them off. And on some of them, they may actually have a separate little harness for the timer motor. You just will push on the little tab and slide it off. So now with your wires disconnected, it's just a matter of removing the screws that secure it. Some timers there's just one screw, others there may be two. I'm using a 1/4-inch nut driver for this model, but others may just be a Phillips head screw or a different type of head. Whichever it is, use the appropriate tool and you can easily remove it. So in this model, that screw that holds the timer also secures a buzzer. So we're just going to move that out of the way. Take our second screw out. Right now all it's holding is the knob on the other side, so I'm just going to slide that knob off and take the timer out. And that's how easy it is to remove the timer from your dryer.